Yeah, so I remodeled this restaurant with a few other contractors about 3 years ago now. The owner called me today. They had put new screws in them, so the holes needed to be filled. I'm going to repaint these. I had refinished these back when we redid the place. They used to be all natural. And just like routine maintenance, it was time to freshen up the bathroom. So I have some Benjamin Moore Regal Select. I'm going to paint the walls. And then I have a PPG Breakthrough. These doors keep getting all scuffed up, so I'm going to try that, see if it holds up. And just painting the doors white and the trim. Painting this restaurant, doing the bathrooms right now. And I needed a door stop, so I improvised. 5-in-1. Add another, what it was, they had like guards in between each booth, you know, during COVID. And then they removed it after COVID, so they had the holes. So I filled the holes and then painted it with PPG Breakthrough.